Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video in the code mode, and today we are going to see how we can deploy our NestJS application to the AWS server. We will deploy this project on EC2. In the first part, we are going to create a EC2 instance. For this, I have a free account and you can create your one, but you have to attach your card with your account. It is free for at least 1 year, so you can simply create and continue if you don't have any account yet. So I'm going to log in to my AWS account. So here is the AWS dashboard and we can see different sections. So here we can see recently visited services. So if you don't see EC2 here, you can just click on the search bar and type EC2, and here you can see, just click on EC2. So this is the EC2 dashboard, and on the top we can see our region. So currently London is selected for me, so you can choose your region to your visitor from where you're expecting the more visitors. Your region should be the same. In instance, you can see I have 0 instance. Just click on the launch instance button, and we are going to create a free instance. So I will give the basic stuff that is required to create an instance. Here we will provide the name, and I am going to name it the code mode, and from here you can choose the operating system OS for your machine. The most of applications are based on Ubuntu, so I will go with that, but if you are not comfortable with Ubuntu, you can choose anything. And the next part, you can choose the architecture 86 or 64-bit system, but I will stick with the 64-bit. And in the next part, we can choose the instance type. Here is the bunch of lists available, and I will go with the T2 as it's available in free tier. So if you want to switch, you can switch. So you can choose any instance according to your requirements. In the next part, you can create a new key pair to access by terminal. So you can create a new file and download it here. Currently I'm going to create a ppk. Ideally more recommended, you should use .pem file, so you can go with OpenSSH. And here is the network section, and I will stick with the basic given setting, but if you want to edit, you can click this edit button and update any of these variables according to your requirements. You can even create security group, but as I said earlier, we are creating our first instance, so we will create a new security group, and you can define your inbound rules. These rules are very important. I will explain this in the second part when we will deploy our NestJS project on this instance. So if you want to edit, you can edit. Currently I'm just going to update the description, and I will go with the basic setting. So in the next part, you can update your storage from here. Just click on this launch instance. It will take a short time. Alright, so our instance is ready, and we can see it on EC2 dashboard. Just click on EC2, and we can see our current one instance is running. Currently status check is initialized, but after a while it will be 2 by 2 if everything is alright. So that's all for related to instance creation. In the next part, we are going to deploy a real NestJS application on this project. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. It will help us to create more useful content. Have a nice day.